Mr. Kegan, thank you very much for being an intelligent human being, which is the reason I came to this
W the comment section.
Now wait.
Dub.
No, that's how you do it.
Oh, okay. Dub.
Yes.
Dub. Okay. Dub.
Now, I don't have issues with intelligent people like you.
Oh. Okay. So I'm the wrong person.
All
Unintelligent people like you want to talk to. Let me excuse you.
All the things you have said now, I don't have a problem because when I was saying this thing,
No, we still need to hear. I'm asking the questions.
At any point say, oh, you must do this as a spiritual. I was just teaching and talking. You took it out of context. Oh, why? So you can talk to your ancestor. All the comments you have ever seen, did you see anybody say,
all right,
you cannot talk to your ancestor?
Let's advance a little bit, right? Now, the intestine own, we can agree to disagree. Right. But the one you said you disappear, somebody literally asked, when will you disappear again?
I disappear anytime. Yes, I did. I can disappear anytime I choose to.
Okay, so let me educate you about this thing now. Raymond is not going to disappear for us now.
No.
Because
hold on. I want to do something.
That's not how that works.
I want to do something.
You don't tell Jesus when to perform miracle. Did you tell Jesus before he turned water to wine?
He said he can disappear anytime.
Did you tell Jesus before he walked on water?
Anytime.
Oh my God.
He said he can disappear anytime.
Holy Spirit.
Kegan, Holy Spirit.
This guy is stressing me out. He's stressing me out. I'll soon start speaking in tongues again. You're trying to put me in the group chat. You're setting me up.
When Jesus turned water to wine, it was actually people that needed wine. So it was on demand.
Do you need Raymond to disappear?
Yes.
If he disappears now, will it save your life? Will it do something? What will it do to you?
He can't disappear.
So proving to you then achieves what?
And a million others watching this that he can't disappear.
What does that achieve though?
No,
what positive thing does it achieve?
He gives him rep. There's this thing called rep.
Calm down.
Ever heard of it?
Wait, but Raymond, the disappearing though, was it like offer or yellow? Or was it like you were just on your bed and film, you appeared in the living room?
For the video where you disappear?
No, I want to show you something. Just show.
Is it a video of you disappearing?
It probably isn't. Don't ask stupid questions, bro. Why are you asking stupid questions?
I'm literally asking the question here. I'm not the one asking.
You can ask another question.
I'm a representative of the comment section.
I will address that.
Okay, so guys, in searching for a video of him disappearing, so why?
That's not what he said.
But why you guys angry? Yes. The guy, see. No, he's angry. He's doing the
I'm the comment section. I am the comment section. That's my job here.
No doubt.
You're taking it out of context and then people will now. Yes.
But I am the comment section.
Raymond has not said he's looking for a video of him disappearing. He wants to show us something. What that something is, he hasn't stated it.
Okay.
Wait for him to state it. Ask another question.
Okay.
Did they follow you from village?
The question is though, when will you disappear again? There's a
Move on.
there.
Move on.
Okay.
He will tell us.